Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. This video is gonna be a bit bearish, I wanna show you a chart that really is saying that crypto is going to crash very bad in 2025 and 2026, and it might enter a prolonged bear market, all right? Make sure to smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. First of all, what we're looking at, we're looking on the monthly chart of the NASDAQ, okay? The NASDAQ, the US 100, the tech index, okay? This, I believe, the NASDAQ and the S&P just completed a cycle of like 20 years, okay? This is, you can see this low is 2002, all right? That was after the dot-com bear market, okay? The dot-com crash, bear market, that was the bear market, okay? That was the bear market for the NASDAQ, okay? So you can see here, we started the new cycle. That was the new cycle here for the NASDAQ. You made the first leg up. That was your first leg. Then you had a big correction. That was the Lehman Brothers, okay, the 08. But you can see it failed to make a new low. That was actually a higher low here, all right, for that cycle. So that was the first leg. That was your second leg here, the corrective leg. Then you have that leg, all right, all the way. That's the third leg, the bull, the crazy, the magnificent 7 bull market. Everything is going yay. Quantitative easing, they print. Everything is just going bananas all the way to 2021, November 2021. And then we had the 2022 bear. We can call it a bear. It was a correction. It was not a bear. It was a correction. For crypto, it was a bear, but it was just a correction for the NASDAQ, okay? It was not a bear market. And now we completed again. There is a chance. I believe we completed it. The fifth leg of the cycle here, of the cycle here from the beginning of 2002. We're talking about 23 years of a bull market for the NASDAQ, okay? For the NASDAQ, that is completed, in my opinion. Again, it might, even if you might get another leg up, doesn't matter, but it looks like it is going to complete, or it is completed. The top is in for this big cycle. All right, so this is scary. Okay, this is scary. If you're holding cryptos, whatever you're expecting 2025 that your altcoins will go to the moon, man. Well, man, sorry to tell you that, but it might not happen. They might go so low that you will be like, what the F? And this is the reason, man, because this is no joke. Most people are not ready, man. Most people in crypto, you know, they just joined crypto in 2023, 2024. They never been into even the bear market, you know. The ones that been in the bear market in crypto, they don't know what is a stock market bear market, okay? Look at that. Look, I'll show you the weekly chart, all right? Look at the weekly chart, man. Of the, we just broke below the 50-week MA. Why it's so important? This week, this 50-week MA, once it's violated, okay, you can see here, once it was violated here, broke below it, made a bearish retest, boom. That was your, you know, correction, big correction. Here, that was the COVID. You broke below it, and then the Fed saved us, you had a stimulus, and that was it, okay? But now, again, the Fed might come in and save the market and send them to another high. Could be. But again, we're now breaking below this 50-week. That's not looking good. And look down. Behold, if it lose this green line, this is the 200-week MA. That's it. It's a bear. It's a complete bear market for stocks. I'll show you. Every time it lose this is the green line here. You can see the green line here. It lost the green line here. That was the .com, January 2001. Boom. That was your, obviously the trigger for a bear market was here on the 50-week MA. But the actual confirmation, when it's breaking the 200-week, that's bear market territories. That's like, goodbye, man. The rug pull, everything collapsed. All right. Now look as well here. It lost the 200-week, the green line, and the 50, boom. That was the Lehman Brothers, the 08 crash. All right. Now we are in the same. We can be in a dangerous situation, man. We can be in a dangerous situation. And remember, if the Nasdaq will dump, okay, if the Nasdaq, look how extended it is, man, even after this little dump we had, you know, in the last couple of, you know, weeks or so. What was it like? What is it like? How many percent is it? 20%, something like that. That's nothing, man. So anyway, imagine what will happen if the Nasdaq will dump. It will go into a bear, okay? Will go into a bear market like it did in 01 or 08. Still, that's a major crash, and crypto will collapse, man. Crypto will collapse. This is a very scary chart. Again, a lot of people will cry, probably will cry on my channel, you know, oh, what are you talking about? What are you talking? Again, this is a risk, okay, that this cycle is coming into an end for the Nasdaq, for the US stock market, and you might get a major collapse. Now you can see Apple. Look at Apple on the Nasdaq, okay? Where is Apple, man? There it is. Look at Apple. Look how extended. This is just, you know, this is just to show you how extended and how big is the bubble. Once this thing pop, it is game over, my friend. It is game over, because this thing, and every 10% drop of it, it's like 200 billion coming out of the market, or 400 billion coming out of the market. That can push everything down with it. You're looking on the Magnificent Seven, they all look toppy as F. This looks like a cycle top to me for Apple. Look at Nvidia as well. Nvidia, look at Nvidia, man. It had a death cross. I'll show you the daily, but look at that, man. Are you kidding me? Look at Nvidia, man. How can you be bullish? How can you be expecting, you know, crypto to go to the moon? Look how extended is Nvidia. Look at that. What do you think will happen to crypto when Nvidia top out, like going on a bear market? Do you think crypto will go bananas? I don't think so, man. I really don't think so. Let's look on Bitcoin. Guys, by the way, smash the like, leave a comment, subscribe to this channel, click the bell. Tell me, what do you think? Do you believe Bitcoin is gonna go to wrecked city? What do you think will happen to Bitcoin now? Do you think Bitcoin can survive this dangerous time in the stock market? Look at it. By the way, this is the Bitcoin regular scale here. That's the tops of 2017, 2021, 2021, two tops, and now the 2025 recent top. This could be the top of the cycle. That trend line here, this could be the top of the cycle. Again, we don't know. We know it's too early to call, but it's definitely a significant top for crypto. And really, Bitcoin can still save itself if it can bounce and break above this level. Okay, if it can break above this level, you might get a little rally in crypto. But remember, the stock market, it looks like it's triggering a bear market. So you guys, be careful out there. If you don't know how to short, get yourself a short education, learn how to short crypto, because crypto can go on a nasty bear market, and it will go to a nasty bear market very soon. Very soon. The question is it gonna do that now and join the S&P and the Nasdaq, or it will maybe have some, you know, some time before it completely getting wrecked. What do you think? Drop a comment below, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to join, we have a live webinar next week. Check out the link below, man. If you want to join us, we're doing live webinar on how to short the markets, me and Jomo. So definitely check it out if you like to short. It's gonna be full of good stuff. Check it out. See you in the next video. Cheers.